And once you have finally assembled all your parts, the four walls on top of this top assembly is supposed to be made out of acrylic. That means it's see-through. And if you want it to be see-through, all we have to do is first make a material here. So pull this down and then more appearance. And then we can name the material here. So we can type in acrylic and then we can change the color. Uh, Pull this out and change the color wheel and change the color of the acrylic you want. You can have it a little greenish, a little um, orange or pinkish or bluish. Okay, so depending on what you want. So let's put a little lime green here and adjust your transparency also. You can set that to like maybe 60 is fine. Okay. You can also change a lot of this one, shine, reflection, whatever. But we'll just leave it like that and then simply click close and you will now see that your appearance appears now here. And all you're going to do is select the part here. So if I select the part here, you can see this one highlights here. So make sure that this one, you select everything here and then click on appearance and change this to this appearance. And it should change it right away. If it doesn't, then you have to manually do the appearance by clicking on that one. Okay, so for this one we can select this part and then change it to appearance. Okay, for this one we can click this part and change appearance, and you need to move it around because some materials will not change. Simply do it manually by clicking on the surface and then change the appearance, and backside. Okay, so this one is this part here, so select this part and then appearance. And again, if it doesn't change all the materials right away, simply do it manually. Okay, and it should show you a little bit of transparency there. If you want to increase the transparency, all you have to do is click on this one and then edit your model appearance, and you can set here more transparent. Okay, like 85, and you will see your acrylic to be more transparent. But that's basically how to make your part become transparent by making an appearance or making a material and then changing its appearance. Okay.